So today we'll talk again about genuine AMADAS parts and what that means for you. Part of genuine AMADAS parts is long-term durability. You can see in this video images of our shaker pan test rig. This not only validates the construction of our parts, but ensures that the parts are able to withstand hundreds, if not thousands, of repetitive run hours in simulated harvest conditions. Numerous components of our combines go through testing similar to this to ensure that when you get a new model of a machine, it is ready to give you years of uncompromising service.
I'm Caden Snyder. I work for the engineering department here at AMADAS. We got some bearings in here, roller bearings, and essentially as they go around this eccentric track, it turns these bars so that they hook the vines. And we've got two different brands of bushings here. We're testing wear. This here is a brand new one. You can see it's nice and tight, nice and smooth. And this here is a worn one. See, the center's got a lot of play in it, kind of rough. So between these two brands here, we're going to determine how much wear they're accumulating per 200 hours. And today we're going to test how much heat they're building with this infrared camera. And this is going to give us images of exactly how hot each bearing is getting. The idea is just to find the best brand and the best parts, and proving that AMADAS Genuine Parts are superior.
I want to talk to you about belts. We have worked with various vendors over the years to examine different belt raw materials, different cordage materials, different coverings, back bandings to ensure the strongest quality of power transfer available. Whether you have single groove belts, multi-groove banded belts, or double belts, we can assure you that what you have is properly rated for the application on this machine. And we have thoroughly tested these belts in a variety of different real-world applications. And if you order your replacements through your local AMADAS dealer, you can be assured that you will have the proper fit and function for your machine.
I'm Caden Snyder. I'm junior engineering technician here at AMADAS, and I'm going to talk a little bit about our bushing test machine here. So this machine, the point of it is to try to find the best possible bushing material to run in the combines. And this right now is set up to test separator bar bushings, which are at the top of the combine. They grab vines, and there's two bushings here. It's an inner and an outer, which are right here. And we're testing both different materials of both. Basically, this machine runs for 200 hours per set of bushings, 20-hour intervals. And every 20 hours, we pull this apart, measure each bushing on each bar, load it back up with abrasive material, some type of sand, and let it go for another 20 hours to try to find how fast each type of wearing and what's happening and what we can do to, make a better machine.
Good afternoon. We want you to consider the quality of the parts that you put on your machine as you make preparations for harvest. You'll notice down here on this header, there aren't metal header bands like you've been accustomed to seeing for years. We have poly header bands. But these are genuine AMADAS header bands. These are bands that have had considerable amount of time put into their design. They have had a considerable amount of test time in the shop to check the wear characteristics, the long-term durability that you'll get out of a genuine AMADAS part. Now, like most all other parts, there are other ones available. You can see it's a little thinner, it's a little more flimsy. Will it last? I can't say. What I can tell you is that this part, this genuine AMADAS part, will serve you for years to come. Hello, today I'd like to talk with you a little bit about roller chain. Here at AMADAS Industries, we strive to give you the highest quality of roller chain with the tightest fitting bushings, quality ground pins, and exceptionally long life. We test our chain not only in a laboratory setting, but also out in the field in real combines to give you real results. We do not stand behind any chains that we have not thoroughly tested on our own equipment. Please remember, when you are replacing chains, to seek genuine AMADAS quality replacement parts to maintain trouble-free service on your peanut combine for years to come. Let's take a moment and think about picking springs. Often overlooked, but undoubtedly one of the hardest working components of a peanut picker, these springs undergo thousands of cycles during their lifetime. And we at AMADAS want to make sure that you have the highest quality picking springs in your machine possible. We have tested time and again for untold hours our springs against competitor springs. We have tested different spring gauges, different spring wire materials, different spring geometries, and we feel that what we are giving you through the AMADAS Genuine Parts Program are indeed the highest quality, longest lasting picking springs that you can buy and utilize to harvest your peanuts. Hello. Talk to you for a little while about sprockets. These are some of the hardest working parts on our peanut combine. We can assure you that the sprockets you get through the AMADAS Genuine Parts Program are the best suited sprockets for this application. We have worked with manufacturers over the years to ensure that the quality of the sprocket that you get from us is the utmost, be that in base material or surface treating or heat treating after the sprocket has been manufactured. We also like to remind you to please inspect your chains, because a worn or ill-fitting chain will not provide you quality service with a new sprocket. That being said, don't forget that AMADAS offers a complete line of high-quality chain to go on your combine as replacement parts, along with quality sprockets through the AMADAS Genuine Parts Program.